Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will use ReportLab toolkit, which is an open source Python library for generating PDF and graphics. So first we need to install by using pip install ReportLab, or you can use pip3. I will use pip3. And I already have in my Python 3, so I can use this library in my code. We can use from report lab dot graphics dot shapes import drawing and string from report lab dot graphics import render PDF, and then I'm going to use drawing, and this will be set to 100. I will just write some text. It's gonna be drawing 100 and then set a string which will be string and 50 and this will be a sim and this code and set the text anchor to middle. And now I'm going to add string to our drawing. It's going to be d.add, d.add, and pass in our string. And now I'm going to use a render PDF method dot draw to file and pass in our drawing. It's going to be like this. Render PDF dot draw to file and pass in our drawing and the name of the PDF file we want to generate. So it's gonna be demo.pdf and just simple PDF demo. So this script will draw this text over here, a sim code in the middle of 100 by 100 point PDF figure, and then we create a graphic element, this string object with some properties. Then we added the elements to the drawing, and finally the drawing is rendered into PDF format and saved to a file. And the argument to the string constructor are its x and y coordinates and its text. You can also supply various attributes such as font size, color, and so on. In our case, I have supplied a text anchor, which is part of the string that should be placed at the point given by the coordinate. So let's just save our script and run and check the results. And there's a mistake over here. This is a lowercase I. This is gonna be and when I run our script, there are no errors. So I'm just going to check if that file demo.pdf is generated, and I'm going to open in our browser. So here is our demo.pdf file. I just minimized the browser to just fit the screen, and here is the text written to our PDF file. So this is a easy way to use a ReportLab to generate a PDF file in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. A same code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.